What's going on, y'all? So I'm about to head out on a mission today we're going to Great Falls Park. Take y'all with me. I'm not really gonna talk too much this video, I just want to kind of do pictures. It's gonna be video today. I'm sorry, it's gonna be digital today, just for the simple fact that I haven't put out a video this week, so we're just gonna make it quick. And hope y'all enjoy the video. All right, so we're here finally, bro. If y'all know anything about Great Falls Park in Virginia, look at this. Never seen it like that. That's crazy, man. But yeah, I got the chest mount on, so I'm getting ready to go ahead and start walking. I got a couple of spots I gotta hit. One's my little favorite spot that I'm gonna show y'all. Don't tell nobody, okay? I mean, tell people about the video, don't tell them about the spot. But then if you tell them about the video, whatever. So I'm gonna take y'all there. All right, let's go. People are trifling, man. All right, we're gonna climb up here. Ugh. Ugh. Oh man. Crazy because I've come to this park so many times, and every time it's different. I will say that. Man, people are trifling, bro. There's trash everywhere. That's crazy, man. When you come to these places, respect them, bro, because one thing, golly, that's one thing that I've learned in photography. You learn to respect nature from the things you see. Look at this, baby bottles. Look at this, man. I should have came out here with a trash bag. It's all right. Next time. Really coming to this park for the falls anymore, but for my YouTube family, I'm gonna take y'all over here so y'all can see it if you haven't been here yet. I don't know if y'all can see him all the way down there, little person right there. It's another photographer, man. He got the right idea. I don't know how he got down there, and I ain't getting down there, but y'all see him in the picture. Get one more. All right, now let's go to our spot. All right, so once again, GoPro froze on me, but it's cool. I'm walking. I think I'm about to take the river trail. I'm coming up on my spot, so let me put this back in the case, and I'm gonna show y'all where we're going. All right, y'all. See this? I would. See how you get down to that little, it's like a little beach area down there, but I ain't trying to do all that. So usually I sit right over there. So let me see if I could get up on this rock and then get over there and take the shot that I've been trying to get. So let's do this. Oh, there's a nice shot right there with the branch on the rocks and then the water. Let me get a picture of that one. Nice. All right, let's keep moving. Yeah, dude, I do want to talk to y'all for a second too. Never feel discouraged to the point where you don't want to get out and do what you love. Just being out here, it's definitely always one of the most beautiful things that I've seen. Nature is crazy, man. We take it for granted. We take times like these for granted. And, you know, we're just out here to appreciate it, man, and capture some of these pictures for y'all. So I see another shot right across the river right here. Tilt you up a little bit. Right there. You probably can't see it because it's kind of zoomed out, but let me get that. Nice. All right, put this Tiffin filter back on just cause I don't want to mess it up. All right, let's see if we can get over there to that little area. Golly, man, I keep walking into spider webs, bro. It's all good though. Oh, I like this. Whole different composition. You see, pretty much standing on nice little size rock. All right, let me take this shot real quick. Whew. Wow. So me putting the Tiffin in my pocket, as you just saw, caused it to become a level 5 instead of a 3 with the mist. That was crazy. Let me try that again. Nice. My lens is a little hazy. Take the shot again. There we go. Much better. All right. I'm just gonna keep rolling. All right, we're gonna slide on over to this way, but I'm gonna take this way. Playing it smart, you know? Gotta clear the area first, you know what I'm saying? Slide down here. Ah, yes. I like this shot a lot. Sit into it. I hope y'all can still see. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Really wish the sun was out this morning, but it's all good. Keep it pushing. Let's take another one. Nice. All right. Whew. Tell you, boy. It's hot out here. All right. Slide over this way. Look at that. I'm telling y'all, man, this place is gorgeous. Let's take a couple shots. Oh, look at that. Wish I had my 70 to 200, man. That would have been clutch right now, but it's all good. All right, here it is. take this shot. Nice tree. All right. Yeah, I mean, it's not, I kind of fell off of nature photography, so, you know, hopefully y'all can hear me good, but I kind of fell off of nature photography, so there's not too much I want to shoot. I just wanted to come bring y'all out here and show y'all how beautiful this spot is. And then we're gonna, and then we're gonna start making our way back to the car, so. All right, see how good I get back up here. See? And y'all sitting over there judging, think I'm Brooke. No, sir. Be a wild day if I got lost, man. All right, oh, look at that. Back at where we started. Man, y'all gotta get out here. Y'all gotta shoot something. As you hear, I'm fat and I'm out of breath. So that means I'm gonna go ahead and talk to y'all when I get to the car. Good God, when I collect myself. All right, so I don't really have any other pictures to share for this evening or this morning. My bad, but man, thank y'all for rocking with me. Like I said before, this is gonna be more of like a vlog slash photography slash do wherever I want to channel. And so far it's been fun, man. I'm enjoying it. Just want to get out and explore with y'all. Got a cool little walk-in. I think next time y'all see me, I'll be in the city again. I don't know, it's like I tried to revisit doing nature photography, but I see I don't love it anymore. But now it's more so of a thing to get out and just see the park. And maybe it's because I've been here at least 10 times. So, but hey, it is what it is. So appreciate y'all joining me. Man, I ain't got much else to say but to see y'all in the next one. So see you later.